banana cream flavored milk. It's like a creamsicle. You ever had like the cream, the orange creamsicle ice cream? Like a banana creamsicle.
It smells like Fruit Loops. Yeah, it tastes like Fruit Loops. Straight up Fruit Loops. Not Fruit Loops. Fruity Pebbles. That's good. Banana. I have to give it a 3. It don't taste like banana. But I like the Fruity Pebbles taste. I'd have to give it a 8 out of 10.
They like Fruity Pebbles. It doesn't taste like Fruity Pebbles. It tastes like the milk you get after you eat the Fruity Pebbles.
Mm-hmm.
And now that you say that, it definitely tastes that way. Definitely tastes a creamsicle in it. So if like they made a banana creamsicle ice cream, this would be it. This would be what it tastes like.
Oh my god. I just got that on camera.
You know though, the banana flavor, it's there, but I would give it a 4 out of 10. It doesn't taste like a straight banana. It's like the cereal, like the milk after you eat Fruity Pebbles. And then as flavor-wise, 9 out of 10. Obviously, this is delicious. You know what else is delicious? Hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching this video.